So I'm here with my sister, you guys already know her, but today we've got one of the biggest challenges I have ever done on my channel because we've got a bag full of my mom's recipes, and all of these are recipes that have either been collected from magazines or fully handwritten by her. There's pages and pages of recipes done by my mom. What we thought we would do for this video is I'm gonna be looking for a recipe in here, you're gonna be looking for a recipe in here, and then you have to cook whatever recipe I chose out of mom's like collection of recipes, and you have to choose one for me, and in the end, we're gonna find out which one of us did the better job at following one of our mom's recipes. Should we get mom to try it, maybe? Or we should just try it ourselves? Anything stands out? Oh my god, this looks like it's from the 60s. Was mom alive in the 60s?
It should say 1998!
This recipe is from 1998, like my sister wasn't even born. Wow. She doesn't even know how to make toast. I make
the best toast.
One time you came to my room and you said, "Can you please make me toast?" You were like 12 already.
That's not true. Look, to the best mom in the world.
Did you write that?
Oh, this is to make the best mom in the world.
Oh my god, this is so cringe. My sister made this cookbook for my mom and it says, "To the best mom in the world." And then it's like a recipe and it says 6 kilograms of kisses, 4 kilograms of love, 3 kilograms of flowers, 8 kilograms of quietness.
What the hell?
Okay, so we're done with choosing. I chose a really good recipe.
Me too.
I chose something that is easy enough to show people how bad you are at cooking. Like, it sounds so simple, but I just know you're gonna mess up so badly and it's gonna taste gross. The recipe that I chose is actually on a loose piece of paper. This is poached eggs in tomato sauce. That's literally the name of the recipe.
So, the recipe I chose for you is actually my favorite one.
Okay.
My absolute favorite one.
I think I know what it is.
Can you give it, do you want to give it a try?
It's either a carrot cake or a cookie cake. I think it's a cookie cake. Do I have to make that?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to make a cookie cake.
Yeah, and I'm gonna eat it.
Do you take the challenge?
I take it.
My hands are very dry. I'm
Yeah.
sorry. It's like shaking a hand with SpongeBob out of the ocean. This is actually not as simple as it looks because I only get to look at the recipe now and then we're not gonna actually use the recipe because when my mom makes this, she's not reading the recipe, she knows it by heart, so it wouldn't be fair to have the recipe with us. It'd be way too easy, so I'm gonna try to memorize everything now. No! This is gonna be difficult. Okay, so I'm gonna make some coffee as in a first step, and then I think that's it. Can you give me a bowl?
I shouldn't be helping you.
Then I guess I'm not gonna help you, and trust me, you need my help more than I need yours. I'm gonna get a large coffee because we need quite a lot of this. Alright guys, so the step number 1 is done, which was just to make some coffee. I think the next step is to make the icing buttercream sauce, which is literally just butter. This is the biggest butter I've ever seen. This is not really butter, this is like a special butter for cakes and baking. How do we scoop this? Can you scoop it using this? It's not coming out! Look, it's trapped! Oh! Sorry about your jumper. That's more butter than I've eaten in my whole life, but that's what my mom's recipe takes.
Yeah, right.
So what mom usually does is she uses an electric mixer and then she like do it gradually, right?
Yeah.
The icing sugar. But I don't have mom's patience. So there goes all the icing sugar. Okay, so now we're gonna make the icing. Oh my god, this is a mess. So now we need to add the flavoring to this, which is coffee. So now I'm gonna add some of the coffee that we made earlier for flavor. I think that's a good amount. If this goes too wet, the whole thing is gonna fail. It looks right.
It doesn't.
I think we are realizing that we needed some more icing sugar, but we don't have any, so this is kind of what it looks like. It's not really like an icing, it's more like it's like a mixture between an icing and a jelly. It's weird. The camera was off for a second and I was trying to move it and Look what I've just did. Do we have more coffee?
It's decaf.
Oh well, do you think this is enough? So here we've got the Maria crackers, which cookies are very popular, I think, in a lot of different countries, but definitely in Portugal. The way my mom does this is she'll build it in stacks, so there'll be like maybe 6 cookies in each stack, and there's multiple stacks. My mom usually dips the cookie, not for too long, and then we place it right in the center. Usually it needs to be fully coated, but that one will be fine. Oh my god, it's too soft now. And then we place, oh wait, we need the buttercream in the middle, right?
Just place it, no.
This will be like a double layer. So now my mom grabs a little bit of the buttercream and goes right on top of the cookie. And I know it seems strange, but somehow this thing will become a cake. Well, maybe not mine one, but my mom one does become a cake. Why is the butter melting?
I should have made this myself.
I'm still gonna make it work, you know. So I'm gonna put this on top. This is kind of what it looks like for now. For some reason the butter sauce melted, which never happens when my mom makes it. I don't get it, guys. So now we're just gonna frost the whole thing. So my mom, like, the last step is to cover the whole thing in the butter sauce. Honestly, I just need to remind myself that it can't get any worse. When my mom sees this, she's going to freak out that we wasted all this food. So the very last step before we're done is to dust the whole thing with cocoa powder to make it look pretty. Honestly, not even that is gonna save this. Oh my god. That looks like an infection. Does it not look
It
like...
looks terrible.
Honestly, it could be worse. This mess right here is supposed to be my mom's cookie cake. When my mom sees this, I'm just gonna let you guys know that she is going to freak out and she's going to refuse to eat it. What do you think of this?
Everything went wrong.
Is this still your favorite cake?
Not this one, no. Definitely not.
So my mom always puts the cake in the fridge before eating it. So here's the ingredients for the food that my sister is gonna make. This is actually one of my favorite foods that my mom makes because it's kind of like a tomato soup with eggs cooked in it. It's very, very good. So please don't, actually, you're gonna ruin it.
I'm not.
How many times have you cooked in your life? Honestly, like an actual meal?
Like 2 times.
You've cooked 2 times in your
Yeah.
life. This is practically your first time cooking.
Yeah. Oh! Maybe more? I don't know.
Do you think that's enough oil?
Okay.
I certainly think that's enough oil. Oh my god. You are more of an idiot than I am.
Should I remove this?
I don't know, I can't tell you anything. I'm just enjoying. This is like one of the best things I've ever watched.
Okay, I'm just gonna do it. I don't care.
Oh my god, this is gonna be the best thing ever. Oh my god, really do watch out though.
I see it in movies all the time.
Yeah,
I
but
get it
no,
right.
don't do it like that.
Okay.
This is what people feel like when they watch my videos. This is the punishment I deserve. Oh wow, where did you learn that technique? Gordon Ramsay? Oh my god.
I'm crying.
I am too.
Oh, you cannot eat this, can you?
I mean, you can eat anything if you put your mind to it.
Oh god, I'm crying. I really am.
I honestly thought this was gonna go bad, but this is something else. She's crying.
I'm crying.
You are being so dramatic right now. Like, it's normal. Everyone cries when they chop
Yeah, but I was
onions.
crying a hell of a lot. Oh, I need to redo my makeup.
Okay, are we good? Can we go back to cooking? Because this is kind of boring.
Yeah, okay, let's go back.
Oh wow, that's a very interesting technique.
My hands are clean, guys.
Yes. You just came from the bathroom, but...
Now, I need a spoon.
Congratulations on knowing what a spoon is.
It goes like that. Okay, should I... Oh, that's a perfect one. Did you see that?
Maybe you should consider removing the green bit first, because like...
Oh, that's good. It needs to burn a little bit.
It doesn't need to burn a little bit.
That's what it said in the recipe.
Oh,
I
guess.
read it. With some garlic.
You're gonna add some garlic powder. You've never used one of those, have you?
No. Just put it in there. Ooh! I didn't know this was gonna happen.
Yeah, it's called cooking. You probably have heard about it. There's some books written on it.
Kinda does look good, no?
I've still got hopes that you're gonna ruin it at some point, and then Mom is gonna prefer mine. Can I give you some advice?
Yeah.
Usually when you're cooking, you keep an eye on multiple things at the same time,
I'm looking at it.
so they don't burn.
They're not burning. I'm just adding more.
There's definitely no ingredients missing from that, which is great.
Tomato sauce?
It's tomato puree.
Whatever. Like little pieces.
You can add more.
Yeah, I'm just gonna mix it first. There's a time for everything.
Okay, chef. I'm just gonna say that it definitely does not look like the one Mom makes. That's for sure.
Ooh. Is it right?
By the way, you shouldn't be using a metal spoon on the thing. You're ruining the pan. That's why I placed a wooden spoon right there. Okay, that's a lot better.
Ooh, I look like a chef now.
Wow.
It's burning, I think.
You thought you were going well, but you're falling apart so quickly. And I love every second of it. When Mom makes it, she usually puts like 3 eggs in it, but this is quite a small pan, so maybe just do 2 eggs. You've never cracked an egg in your whole life. This is beautiful.
I nailed it!
Oh, there's egg dripping in everywhere.
I mean, you can do it.
Why would you do it on top of the other egg? So this is kind of what it's looking like right now. It actually doesn't look terrible, which I'm kind of upset about because I'm probably gonna be the loser.
This is too hot.
She's gonna add more seasoning because she doesn't think it's enough.
That's perfect.
Oh, sure.
What the hell are you saying?
You want to teach me which one's perfect? This is one of my favorite foods. I know what it's supposed to be like. Good job on covering the top of it with the spices. Now how are you gonna know when it's fully cooked?
That's what I was thinking of.
I hope it sucks and then Mom is gonna prefer my terrible cake, but I think you might win.
I'm definitely winning.
Okay, you can remove that. Ooh.
It looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks good. It looks ready, that's for sure. I'm kind of pissed off right now because I think this is gonna be a million times better than my shitty cake. So here's the cookie cake that I made, and here's the poached eggs and tomato sauce that my sister made. This is my cookie cake that actually, I don't think it looks as bad as you're trying to make it seem.
It looks like mashed potato.
It kind of looks like mashed potato, but it doesn't look bad. Like really good mashed potato with cocoa powder on top.
This looks a lot better.
So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna try it right now, and then I'm gonna get my mom, and she hasn't seen any of this, so the reaction should be pretty good. And my mom is actually gonna pick which one is the winner, and we haven't told her that we're making this. We haven't told her which one made which dish. Okay, so this is my cookie cake. Honestly, it's definitely not bad.
But
You so want to have more.
The thing is,
it's good.
Mom is usually so wet, and like yours was wet before, but now it's so dry.
It's good now. It's really good. I hear the consistency is a little bit off, but the flavor is great. I'm gonna get a little bit of the egg and the tomato sauce.
Me too.
Okay. Cheers. Oh my god. That is so good. It's very spicy, but it's pretty good. It's a little dry, the egg. Like, I would have undercooked the egg a little bit, but... Oh my god, that's really good. It's pretty good. Should we get Mom to try it? You want to have some more?
No, I'm good.
Honestly, I think it tastes practically the same as Mom's. You're trying not to ruin your lipstick, you're like... What I'm gonna ask my mom is to try every single one of them and tell us which one is the best one. My mom said first savory.
Good. Which one for me?
My mom says this one is very good as well. She said she can't really decide which one is the winner.
Por causa da apresentação.
Basically, my mom said that the winning one is my sister's just because of the fact that it looks better. Because mine is a little messy. But my mom said mine tasted really good.
Mine did taste really good as well.
To be fair, I think Mom would say that they taste good regardless. She would probably lie. I hate that I didn't win because I honestly think mine tasted really good.
Yeah, I think I'm stepping in now, Raphael.
Annoyingly,
I win.
you win. What should be your prize? My sister is tweeting whatever she wants from my Twitter account right now. This is very annoying. This is such a bad idea. I hate that yours was the best one. I mean, you pretty much killed it with the eggs, not gonna lie. I'm a farting machine. Who should give up on the cooking videos? I'm sorry guys, my sister is stepping in now. Okay, you can post it.
You sure?
Yeah.
It's going in, guys.
I love how my sister tagged herself so she gets that clout.
Of course.
So that's about it for this video, guys. I guess I suck and my sister is gonna step in with cooking even though she's never done it in her whole life. I don't understand any of this. If you guys like this video and if you guys think we should do a brother versus sister series, because I think that could be fun, definitely give this video a like and let us know in the comment section down below what exactly you want us to do the next time. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to switch my notifications on. We're very close to 1 million subscribers, so I appreciate all the help. My sister's Instagram will be in the description down below because I mean she's only here for clout, otherwise she wouldn't even be in this. I love you guys and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye!